I'm Paula, and at Earnin, we're really excited to be working with Retool to build out better support tools for our agents. And for some background on Earnin, we provide a variety of financial services. Our most popular product is our cash out product, and this allows people to access their money as soon as they've worked. And so if you're someone who has an emergency or an unexpected bill come up, it can be really challenging to have to plan around a biweekly or a monthly schedule. And so this app allows people to access that money sooner, and it just gets a lot more flexibility so that people don't have to wait until payday to make payments or buy groceries. And a more recent product we launched is our We Win product. This is a product that encourages our customers to save. And so our customers can deposit money into what we call savings tip jars. And for every $10 they save, they can get entered into a contest where they can win money. And so it's a lot of fun for our customers because it kind of feels like a lottery where you select numbers in a drawing and then you win based on how many numbers you match in the drawing. And for all of our products, we don't charge any mandatory fees or have any sort of subscription service. However, customers can tip if they want to support Earnin and support the community members using our product. And something that I love about working here is that we do see a lot of positive impact in our customers' finances. So in 2020, 67% of our customers reported a drop in their overdraft fees, saving $58 a month, or roughly 2 overdraft fees a month. 84% experienced reduced stress during COVID. 66% saw an increase in their ability to pay bills on time. And 49% said they could afford a $400 emergency when they previously couldn't. And so in providing support to our customers, finances can be super time sensitive. So it's really important that we provide fast and reliable support to our customers. And so this is sort of the before state of our support tools that our agents have been using. And while it does support their basic needs for assisting our customers, it definitely does have some pain points. And so first, there's a lot of information, and the information is not necessarily organized in a way that matches the workflows of our agents. So they often find themselves kind of hopping around between all of these tabs in order to get the information they need to help out our customers. And because it's not immediately obvious how to use the tool and all of this information, we do have a longer onboarding process than we would like. And we also just experienced slower development in this tool. It exists in a legacy repo, and it also uses an old UI framework. And so it's just not the most fun experience for our agents or our developers to work in. And so some goals we're working towards are to streamline the views in the app, build with our agents' workflow in mind, so that they're not having to remember all of the sections that they need to check in order to help customers. And lastly, we just want to improve the developer experience and be able to speed up our releases so that we can keep up with all of the new product features we're releasing on a regular basis. And so Retool has been really helpful to us so far. We just started our contract with them in April. And so far, onboarding has been really quick and the development has been fast. We've had several engineers who wanted to try it out and just build out their own apps, and they've had a good experience so far. Something I personally love about this is that we can easily create mocks for agent feedback and iterate on them. So for building out our support tools, we have a team of just 2 engineers. So we rely a lot on feedback from our agents. And it's great that we can, when we're building a new feature, we can create maybe 2 or 3 different versions of that feature and have the agents actually log into dev, interact with it, try it out, and then give us feedback on what works and what doesn't work. I find that to be a lot more effective than just using wireframes. And last, it removes the need for maintaining front-end code base. Earnin is a mobile-based company. So in order to use a service, customers have to be on the mobile app. And so beyond our website, we don't have much need for regular web UI development. So most of our stuff is internal, and Retool kind of helps fill that gap so that we need fewer developers. And so just wanted to show you a demo. This is the first app that we built when starting with Retool, and it's to support that We Win product that I mentioned earlier. So agents can come in here, search by user ID, and they can see the numbers that have been drawn for the contest that week. They can view any individual ticket entries and see what numbers have been matched for that contest. And at the top, we have some modals for specific tasks like granting referral tickets or assisting the customer if they want to create a withdrawal from their savings. And at the bottom, they can view transaction history in case the customer has any questions or if there are any issues with the transaction going through. And just to give you an idea, since that's just the first part we built out, this is sort of what we're working towards more long-term. And so at the top, we have these tabs that are kind of grouped by the most common questions that our agents get. And we definitely tried to pare down the information compared to what we have in our old tool. And you can see the WeWin app is nested in there. And then on the left, we have an overview section that will highlight the important statuses. And if there are any tasks that need to be addressed for the customer to be in a good state, we'll try to highlight that in maybe yellow or red. And for example, if there's a pending task, such as timesheets that the customer may have uploaded, the agent can come in here, click on it, and then just be taken directly into that task. So our goal is to, have the tool do a better job highlighting what might be wrong with the account so that the agent knows right away what they need to address. And so as we continue building out this tool, working towards migrating the functionality over, we'll be measuring our success in a few different ways. First is through agent surveys. After every feature, we'll plan on, surveying our agents and ask what's working and maybe what's not working or needs improvement. And so far, we've gotten really positive feedback on the WeWin product or WeWin app that we created, which is great. And we'll also be looking at our chat handle time and training time for agents, and hopefully seeing that continue to go down over time. And last is reducing our development time, and that's something we've already seen. This first WeWin app just took us a couple weeks to build because we pretty much only had to focus on the back end, and then building the front end was really fast. Whereas if we had to start from scratch and build out our own front end repo with custom UI, I think that would have been more on the order of months in terms of launching a new app to our agents. So we're definitely excited to continue using Retool and be able to better serve our agents. And that's it for me. Thanks, everyone.